Ready to turn your spare time into extra cash by delivering smiles with Amazon Flex in Canada. First, make sure you meet the requirements. You'll need to be of legal driving age, have a valid driver's license, a qualifying vehicle, and pass a background check. Download the Amazon Flex app from your app store. Once you're approved, open the app, and you'll see available delivery blocks. These blocks are essentially scheduled delivery shifts. Pay attention to the duration, location, and estimated pay rate for each block. Tap on a block to view more details, and if it works for you, tap accept to claim it. It's like reserving a time slot to deliver packages. On the day of your block, head to the designated Amazon pickup location. Once there, use the app to check in and scan the packages assigned to your route. The app will then guide you, turn by turn, to each delivery location. At each stop, follow the delivery instructions specified in the app, which may include taking a photo of the package at the door or handing it directly to the customer. After you complete all your deliveries, the app will finalize your block, and your earnings will be deposited directly into your bank account. That's it. You're on your way to becoming a successful Amazon Flex delivery partner in Canada. Good luck.